Anyone?
Well, you really have to concentrate on all angles and expect the unexpected.
Fun day. I've had everyone has seen how they've felt in the day. Personally, I've enjoyed and a lot of learning. Learning never ends.
So it's number 4. One, 3. And someone else is reading this information.
Let's move.
Team Double, Fast and Furious! Joy, BBB, fast! Be fast, be fast, be fast, be fast, let's move.
Team Ball, fast and focus! Fast and focus!
What do you get to observe or what do you get to learn from the activity? In one?
Well, you really have to concentrate on all angles and expect the unexpected.
Alert and enthusiastic. 1, 2, 3. 1954.
Enjoy.
Clap!
Educative.
Clap!
That was good.
Great.
Well spent.
Fun.
This was fun. Clap!
Yes. Engaging. Informative.
Beautiful one.
Beautiful. Clap!
Mad fun.
Mad fun, huh?
Beautiful day.
I've enjoyed the trip, also the area, food, not forgetting the
In one word.
The facilitators of the day.
One word.
Good vibes.
Good vibes, amazing.
She stole. Wonderful.
Interesting.
Interesting.
Superb.
Perfect.
Entertaining.
Entertaining.
Joyous.
Joyous.
Fun-filled.
Motivational.
Nice.
Successful.
Successful, yeah.
Encouraging.
Encouraging.
Interactive.
Interactive.
Great.
Great. Get
Creative.
creative.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Yeah. The day from your perspective. Okay. Pole sana for venue. Yeah.
Excruciating, but it was good. Yes, had fun, and won't choose any other team to have fun with. Yeah.
So, asanteni sana, and I wish you a pleasant stay at Lerruat. Make sure you enjoy everything.
I think it was a fun day. I've heard everyone has said how they felt in the day. Personally, I've enjoyed, and a lot of learning. Learning never ends. And I think, as Martin said, we are going to put this into practice as we go back to our offices. Thank you so much, Martin and team. It was so fun. I wasn't sure, especially because you had shared what you've done before, but I was not sure whether my team will enjoy this. But from what I've seen, I think we've had fun and we've enjoyed.
There's nothing much to say really. I think today is just a day of getting together, interacting with each other outside the office environment, appreciating nature. You know, driving out of town is just one way of appreciating nature. The basic principle about life is humanity. Everything else is secondary. Humanity is what you need to guard. How do you interact as people? Because that's what we are born to live for. Then the rest of the things follow. And therefore, making those memories count is very important. And one of the activities that just makes those memories. Small, simple steps. This is one of them. So we do this every year. For you who have been here for a long time, you do it every year and you do it 10 years. Those are 10 steps. But every time you are knowing something new. So thank you so much. And thank you, Martin, Mato. That's all about. Grace and your team. And the rest of the team who are here from AFRALTI.